What's good in hit, y'all? Your homie back again with another video. My style, untouchable when I'm in my zone. What's up, y'all? I know it's been a while. I haven't made a lot of videos. Man, I'm pretty busy nowadays with working and also modding my car. Yes, it's been a long time coming, and this has been one of the best journeys I've ever had in like a hobby wise, you know, like I play Yu-Gi-Oh, Pokemon, all that, but I don't know, this one hits differently, man. Like going through the process of getting your car the way you want it, just to make it more nicer than it already was. Man, I don't know, it's really fun to me. Further ado, enough of me talking about that topic. That's gonna be in another video. Let's go right into the item that I want to share with you guys in this video today, right now. Let's get it. Boom, there it goes, y'all. Oh yeah, it is a portable collapsible green screen for chairs. It is a 56-inch. So basically what it says on the title, it is a green screen for your chair. You can just use this thing, slap on a chair. It's more convenient and more compact that way. This is great for vlogs or podcasts or anything else you want to do, like, you know, for content or gaming wise. Also, it also says vlogs and podcast right there. But anyways, yeah, so further ado, let's check this out and see if it works. I have two chairs right now that I want to test it on, one being a gaming chair and the other one is like an ergonomic style office chair, but it's also a gaming chair. Yeah, let's just get into it. All right, guys. Oh, by the way, I got this for 20 bucks, $19.99 at Ross. Y'all know me, man. I love shopping at Ross, DD's, Amazon, all that good stuff. Oh, and this brand is by Vivitar right there. I also have a Vivitar lens that I'm using right now, the white one, which was like 10 bucks or 12 bucks. It's okay. It's decent. You know what I'm saying? Lenses are expensive, so I'm trying to save some money, y'all. I'm trying to help y'all save some money too. Hopefully the audio is catching everything. I'm gonna have to up this in post-production. Oh my goodness. We're doing the unboxing right now. Oh my goodness. What the heck, man? What the hell? Bear with me, y'all. Bear with me. Y'all like my hat? It's Pikachu. Oh yeah. Got it at Target. I forgot how much. Alright. So this is how it looks like. Just a big old circle, round thing. In the picture, it made it look like it's like ginormous. That's what she said. That's what she said. Okay. I don't think this is gonna work, guys, to be honest. First impression, first look. Oh, hang on, wait a second. Okay, all right, I might be fooled. All right. Oh my goodness, my camera. Holy yo, I almost dropped everything. It smacked my camera, it smacked my mic. Holy snap. All right. Yo, dude. Okay, all right, hold up, let me put this to the side real quick. All right. Holy crap, I'm gonna have to holy crap, I'm gonna have to rewatch everything because that was so funny, y'all. It was like this small, bro, and then out of nowhere it just like flung open and then it just got humongous. That's also what she said. Look at it. That is, I mean, it did say on the box it was 56 inches. That's also what she said. Jesus crud. All right, damn. Okay. Oh my god, that's like half of my room. All right, y'all, the audio is gonna go in and out. All right, I'm gonna connect this to my chair right now. Cool. How does it look? It's kind of funny, huh? So it has some velcros. You can tighten it if you want on a gaming chair. It looks pretty cool. Doesn't look that sturdy. Check that out. Right. Oh my goodness. Yo, this is wild. This is pretty cool though. Make sure these two are tightened together. Like that. And then you take this and then you just do this. I don't know what the heck I just did, but hopefully it works. Yeah, that's it. All right, we're just gonna leave it like that. All right, guys. Let me move my mic a little bit. Holy crap, this is wild. All right, now I'm gonna zoom in real quick and then do some editing to see how it looks like. Okay. All right, guys, so you guys can see my face. Let me turn off the light real quick. Oh, that's too dark. Okay, never mind. This is all you guys gonna get right there. All right, I'm gonna have to hide this green thing. Hopefully that won't be an issue. Okay, so this is the green screen. You see my face. This is typically how it's gonna look like when you're gaming, or I don't know, doing whatever it is you guys do for content. Let's see, where should I go, guys? Let's go to Hawaii. All right, next up, let's go to a library. All right, let's have a picture of a Pokemon. Yu-Gi-Oh! What else, guys? What else? Outer space. Cool. Hopefully that came out right. If not, then I'm gonna just look really like really stupid, just doing nothing. Take off my glasses for a little bit. Oh my goodness. All right, so that is it. This is the product right there. I don't know what else to say. The quality is actually pretty good. It's pretty nice. I believe you could just refold it and stuff like that. Oh, I said I was gonna try on another chair. Let me try on another chair for you guys. Here's a little close up. It has like these Velcro stuff right there. You can adjust this part right here to sit on your chair. Okay. This right there is the office ergonomic chair. Let's see how that's gonna do. Oh my lord. Oh god. I'm knocking everything over, y'all. It kind of looks really tacky. It looks pretty tacky, but it gets the job done. You feel me? If you just play around with it a little bit more. Hold on. It's so funny. It's like you're just walking with all that stuff. I need some sleep, y'all. I'm sorry if I look so whooped like I always do. It's because I haven't got no sleep, okay? All right, so there you guys go right there. It looks pretty funny, I know. Ow. It looks like it's just like falling over, which is kind of is, but I mean, you know, just mess around with it. All you gotta do is just mess around with it, and I think it's gonna look better. Other than that, if you guys like this product and if this video helped you guys out in any way, please smash that like button. Smash. I almost destroyed my whole equipment and everything. My goodness. Yeah, I don't even know where to put this at. My room is too small for all these stuff, man. Please subscribe for more content like this or anything else I do on this channel. I don't know if I said that already. Maybe I didn't. I don't know. I'm just rewatch this and just try to edit it the best I can. Once again, sorry for looking a mess, y'all. Just really tired. Just been working a lot. Lack of sleep. Everybody get your sleep, all right? Take your vitamins, drink a lot of water, exercise, live a healthier life, okay, guys? Eat right and drink right. Other than that, I will try to look it up on Amazon, and if I find one for like a decent price, I will be sure to leave a link down below. It will be an affiliated link, so that will help out my channel a lot. Thank you so much if you guys do pick one up. If I do find one and put it on, you know, you feel me? And yeah. Other than that, y'all be safe, keep it breezy, and I'll see y'all in the future. Deuces. Take me out, green screen, to the ocean. I don't even know if it works or not. All right, guys. Yeah. My style, untouchable.